Okay everyone, so in this video I just want to show you on how we can go and try to create a simple grid system that can help you with your workflow when you're working with your pixel artwork. And this is a simple coffee cup that I just created using GIMP here, and I maximize the use of configuring a grid system so that I can go and try to draw this much more easier for my workflow. Okay, so what you can do, you can just go to the new button here, and I've set my image size, height and width to 32 pixels, so that this is going to be an image that I'll be, or let's say it's going to be an image that I can use for my game, for example. And I wanted to utilize pixel art, for example, for the background or for the characters that I'm working on. And right now I want to create a template that I'll be using along the way when I'm using GIMP here, for me to be able to create different assets for my game. So what I'm going to do here, if you check the canvas size, we do have that height and width that we set when we created our new image here. And I would want to go and see here the configure grid feature of this GIMP photo editing software. And if you try to go and click on show grid, you would see our tiles are not perfectly aligned, and it will not be helping us out in trying to draw our pixel art. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to configure that grid, and I'm going to go and replace this value of 10 by 10 horizontal and vertical, because if we try to calculator, let me just open my calculator here just to show you. If I have a 32 by 32 height and width for my image, I can just go and try to divide that by 2, and we will get 16 tiles. And if we try to implement that here, I'm going to put here 2 by 2. You would see this is lock, so that automatically generated the other text box here, or it automatically added the 2 pixels here for the vertical. So now it's going to be a lot easier for us to draw our pixel art here. Let's say, for example, I wanted to go and draw something here for a character, right? It's going to be a lot easier for me to work on a character now, because I have a grid system that I can maximize and use for, let's say, working on my workflow for a project that I'm building. Okay, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to create a simple grid system that you can try to utilize for artwork that you will be working on for your project.